Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Chrissy, and for today's video I am doing another content creator video for you guys. This little vlog series because I love watching vlogs. Let me know down below if you guys do enjoy watching my video. By the way, if you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right now. Like this video, comment down below. Turn your post notification on because I post every single Friday. By the way guys, we hit 51,000 followers, subscribers on YouTube, and I can't even, like, I'm so happy right now. I just want to say thank you guys so much for everything, for all your support. I don't want to cry because I have makeup on. My outfit, I am wearing this boohoo jacket that you guys have seen on my haul video. If you guys have not watched that, click the cards right here, somewhere up here. And then this top, I had it for a long time now. And I'm wearing this boohoo sweatpants that you guys have seen on my boohoo haul. I actually just put on my nails. I'm wearing this press-on nails right now. I don't really got time to get my nails done and stuff like that. Right now it is 12:30. I have 6 outfits, so hopefully I don't have a hard time finding a location, because I always do. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not always perfect. Me and my boyfriend, we always get into it. You guys will see. I can't predict the future. I can't predict what's gonna happen today. That's just life, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and shoot now. I don't know if I showed you guys my Christmas tree. I got this like 2 days ago, or 2 to 3 days ago. I'm so happy about it. It's so cute. I just went for like neutral colors, which is silver and gold. No red situation. I don't have any gifts down there because I think for this year I'm just gonna give everybody a gift card. All right guys, we are about to leave. We just got in the car right now. Looks like it's a nice day. It's supposed to be 75 degrees today in LA, so we'll see. I'm gonna be shooting in this background right here. I don't know, for some reason there's a lot of alleyways in LA that I just figured out, and I freaking love it, especially when the sun's hitting it like this. Cool shadow right there. It's really dope. Definitely need a flash because you won't be able to see my eyes. It's not like I ever show my eyes, but still. Here's my full outfit. Boohoo, sweatpants from Boohoo. I'm wearing my Vans for the first time in forever. And then I got this hat from Lids. And yeah, really digging it. This outfit's pretty dope. What do you guys think? So this is how I get myself in a good mood. Start dancing out of nowhere with no music.
What's up, Spurs?
I'm about to change my outfit now. So the second one, by the way, all of my outfits, I have 5 outfits that are all from Thirfted Girls. So if you guys want to go shop Thirfted Girls, make sure you guys click the link in my description down below and use my code Mscrisssy to get 15% off. What I normally do, I like tuck my jeans and then have the tongue out like this, and I was like, ooh, my boyfriend was kind of like roasting me for a while. Now I learned my lesson. I'm not gonna do that. Now we are heading to our second location. We don't know where we're gonna go yet. We're just scattering around the area. Just really depends where the sun's hitting it and the backgrounds and the whole aesthetic, because it really just depends on my outfit. So I'm wearing something really casual, you know, so I'm looking for like anything actually. Just a different place, different spot, so that way it doesn't look the same. I just want to give a big shout out to my boyfriend for always helping me out. Without him, I wouldn't be able to do this alone, guys. I'm not gonna lie, these alleyways are pretty like decent and like not super dirty, if that makes sense, because we've seen alleyways that are super dirty. This is actually dope, right? What do you think?
Yes, the only problem with alleyways is that a street sweeper never comes through here, so you never know, you might run over a nail and it might be the worst decision you've ever made.
That's true. We found the second location now. We're gonna shoot here. We shot here for 30 Grills with Marty Grimes. By the way, my friend Marty, shout out to you. When you shoot here, it's Sunday, no one's around here right now. We are not shooting in the front of the store. We're gonna shoot right here. Yeah, it's fine. On the car. I'm not gonna have space. No? Do you need to park here? Sorry. I thought you were just doing a U-turn. Yeah, so I don't think we're gonna shoot there just because there was a guy who just like parked right in front of where we're gonna shoot, and the right location that he wanted me to shoot at doesn't make sense with the outfit that I'm wearing. So we're just gonna go ahead and scout again. So here's the second location. Finally, we found the right location for this. No one's here. No one is bothering us. That's one thing too. I hate shooting when there's a lot of people around me. People are looking around. I don't know why. I just get really shy and I just get really uncomfortable. So yeah, we found this cool location. I'm gonna shoot right here. Here's my outfit.
I don't think we need the flash for this one, babe.
No. Wearing my red satin toes. Right here. Wearing this thrifted jeans that I got from the thrift store. They're really baggy on top. And wearing this Nike hoodie from Thirfted Grills. Use my discount code at Mscrisssy to get 50% off. Yeah, this is like my everyday. If I'm going out, probably wear my sweatpants. I'm going to Target, Walmart, do some errands. This is something I would probably wear. That's why today you guys will see it on my Instagram and my YouTube. It's hot. It's hot. Hot. It's hot.
Something about the shoes, I don't like how they look. I think it's because the pants are like so high up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can stay a couple inches. There you go, now sit down.
Time to change my outfit. So we're shooting the third one now. So I'm about to change in the car. Time to change into the third outfit now. So I think I'm gonna wear the Mickey Mouse right here since it's right in front of me. Woo! That was only 2 outfits so far. And I'm already sweating. It's hot today for some reason, right?
No, it's hot.
Time to change bottom now.
Photographer gotta stay fed.
Yes, what are you eating, babe? Skyflakes?
Mm-hmm.
Real Filipino right here.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't eat Skyflakes, you're not true Filipino. Just saying.
Mm-hmm.
Just kidding. So I have my next outfit already, and we're just gonna stop by at the gas station at Costco real quick because we are running out of gas and we can't drive with no gas, so we're gonna head there real quick and then start shooting again. We found the third location. We just got some gas and now we're here. I just got in the car. I'm about to go change. So the next outfit that I have in mind, so I'm gonna wear my court purple, and then I'm gonna be wearing this sweater that I got from Thirfted Grills. I am in love with this sweater, by the way. And then for the bottom, I'm gonna be wearing this Pretty Little Thing bag jeans that I got from them. This is the boyfriend jeans that I have, and there's like this stressing on the knee area. I freaking love this, so I'm gonna wear this one real quick and change. This cloud is killing me. I think there's a fire again somewhere around us, and it's making this weird lighting whenever I try to shoot. So it'll get dark and it'll like just get super bright out of nowhere. yeah, so right now we have 3 more outfits to go and we're done. Actually, wait. Yeah, there's well, the one that I'm gonna be wearing, the purple one, that'll be the 4th one, and then I have 2 more after that. So right now, just gonna try to hurry though, because like we are running out of time. Also the sun, it's like making us move to a lot of places. I think we're just gonna go back to our original location where we were at in the beginning, because we found like a cool green background over there in the alley. And then yeah, I have some purple, green, and some gray that I have to shoot. Ooh. Hold on, let me change. Let me put this on real quick before somebody sees me. I love that it's blurry right now. It's not really pointed towards me, because you guys can see anything that's going on. Alright, put this jeans on. Let's do it! Yes, the sun's coming back. I can see it. It's getting brighter. We just got to our location. We're gonna shoot right here. We have multiple of backgrounds. Sorry, I'm eating Halls right now. It like almost choked me. But what I was saying, I'm gonna shoot right here. There's like multiple backgrounds I can use here. I have 2 more after this and we're done. Cannot wait. Let's go. More outfits. Woo! You got this, babe. We got this. Yeah! I just got back in the car. I'm about to change into my 5th one. Gotta take my shoes off real quick. And then I think this one, I'm wearing green. We're gonna use this background right in front of us. It's a blue wall. And yeah, just taking off my shoes. We are going to shoot this outfit now. Where are we going to shoot? Here?
Yes, let's hurry, the sun is out.
So here's the outfit that I'm wearing. This is from Threaded Grills. This is Thrifted. I thrifted it a while back ago, but this is Dickies. And then I'm wearing my pine greens, and I decided to change the shoelace just because I wanted to just add a little bit of, you know, a little bit of character in there.
Should have been, trust me.
Watch this shit. This shit stinks. It smells like sweat from 2018.
Chrissy's the only one that wears that.
Time to change. My last outfit. The door is locked. Woo. My hair be looking crazy. We are shooting the last outfit now. I'm so excited. I did like a super last minute decision about this outfit, and I added this bag and then my boyfriend's hat. It smells kind of bad. It smells like sweat. I'm gonna be wearing this that I got from the thrift store, and then I just cleaned it up. Look at the shoelace. I have to put it back because I just like added some oxy to clean it up real quick. Alright guys, we are gonna shoot at the same location. It's probably a different spot because I shot here already, so I'm gonna shoot right here. have this as a background, and this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this hat that I got from Lids, threaded grills, my boyfriend's cargo pants, and the shoes that I thrifted. That was the end of this video. Did you guys enjoy it? Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. Turn your post notification on because we post videos every week. Make sure you guys turn that on right now because I post every Friday. Make sure you guys follow us on our Instagram at Mscrisssy if you guys want to see more fashion looks.
And follow me at Dante Catlet if you guys want to see more tips about photography, filmmaking, and entrepreneurship. Appreciate you guys tuning into this video. Until next week, we'll see you next time.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Love you guys. Thank you. Let me see your outfit real quick. Okay, we got some Converse right here. We got the loaded up welcome back shirt.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the Stizzy shorts.
Production.
Okay. What camera are you using? A lot of people are wondering what camera we use.
Right here we have a Canon 5D. This is the camera that we use. This thing is a beast. It's a workhorse. But remember, it's not about the camera that you want. It's about using the camera that you have. You can get amazing photos with this, your phone, your iPhone, whatever it is. But you have to understand how lighting works, how your outfits, how backgrounds, how color blocking works. But it's all experimental, so I definitely implore everybody to go out there and start shooting with whatever you have. And if you have a dream to get something else, make that a goal that you can reach. 'Cause it's possible.
And this is why I love him so much, because he really puts me on.
So you said you were gonna make us some good dinner tonight?
Sure. How you do that? Am I doing it right? Looks weird.
You need to go forward when you do it though, like evenly. It's like hop, dip.
Wait, like that?
You got the pop part, but it's like you gotta do like more of a dip. When you land, it's like this. You use momentum when you land. There you go. There you go.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just tryna, yeah. This trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on it.